Hey, Zero Diabetes Zone community. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, diabetes and foot care. If you or someone you love has diabetes, this video is a must-watch to learn how to prevent complications and keep your feet healthy. Did you know that people with diabetes are more prone to foot problems? That's because high blood sugar levels can lead to nerve damage and poor circulation, which can make your feet vulnerable to infections and other issues. But don't worry, with the right care, you can keep your feet in great shape. Let's get into some practical tips. First up, daily foot inspections. Check your feet every day for cuts, blisters, redness, swelling, or nail problems. Use a mirror if you need to, or ask someone for help. Catching issues early can prevent them from becoming serious. Next, wash your feet daily with lukewarm water and mild soap. Be sure to dry them thoroughly, especially between the toes. This helps prevent fungal infections and keeps your skin healthy. Number 3. Keep your feet moisturized to prevent dry, cracked skin, but avoid applying lotion between your toes. Excess moisture there can lead to infections. Number 4. When trimming your toenails, cut straight across and file the edges. Avoid cutting them too short, as this can cause ingrown toenails. If you have trouble doing this yourself, consider seeing a podiatrist. Number 5. Always wear comfortable shoes that fit well and protect your feet. Avoid walking barefoot, even indoors. Look for shoes with good arch support and soft insoles. And don't forget to check your shoes for pebbles or rough spots before putting them on. Number 6. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check is key to preventing foot problems. Follow your diabetes management plan, take your medications as prescribed, and monitor your levels regularly. Number 7. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider, and have your feet examined at least once a year. They can spot potential issues and provide you with the best advice on foot care. Number 8. Physical activity improves circulation, which is great for your feet. Just make sure to choose activities that are easy on your feet, like walking, swimming, or cycling. There you have it, folks. Taking care of your feet is a vital part of managing diabetes. By following these tips, you can prevent complications and keep your feet healthy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more diabetes-friendly content. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay proactive, stay healthy, and see you next time.